Okay, hello. I have a really cool new t-shirt available here from a company called Printify. If you're an independent artist like me and you want to ship out merch or any products, you can use this company called Printify, and they print everything on demand, which is really cool because you don't need a warehouse full of junk sitting around. I've done a lot of silk screening and stuff in the past with different brands, and they just print it one by one as you order it. They have every size, every color. They have lots of different products. So if you are an independent artist or a designer or somebody who wants to use this service, they have this really nice like silkscreen tag that's new. You can print thank you cards. Comes in this little bag like this, and comes with like a shipping label and stuff. So it's a really great service if you are not signed to a major record label, and moving forward in your career, it's a really great way to just take control of your financial independence as an artist, your own financial freedom, because you can set your own prices and scale it up from there. You can do, I think it costs like between $5 and $10 a shirt to get printed. So whatever you make on top of that is up to you. And it does ship internationally. So it's a really great service. And like I said, I have this shirt available on my website. I have more on ericdavidwallace.com. And I'm hoping to be able to continue just growing as an artist and as a brand using this service. I know there's some other services that do a similar thing, but if you have any experience with these companies, let me know, give me a comment, or send me an email. I'd be happy to hear. But so far, I've had a good experience with them. I just ordered this sample, and it came in like less than a week. It was shipped from San Diego, and I'm in Seattle. So another cool thing is too, they do ship internationally with other vendors. So for example, if you're in Germany, they're partnered with a lot of different companies all over the world, so they can send the design to a printer in Germany and it will be printed there, and then it will go to your house, like whatever factory is closest. So I grew up listening to punk rock music, doing everything yourself, skateboarding and all that stuff. So this was really a revelation for me. I know this technology has been around for a while, but I have never used it. And they have this AI technology that prints everything perfectly. Like, this is a really nice silkscreen shirt. It's perfectly centered. There's no mess ups or anything. So really cool. Hope this helps you, and good luck out there making music. Punk rock rules.